Hey guys, my name is Syed Mukhi Verma and I'm here to discuss about how to become an HR at inSAKE Solutions. So first of all, we need to look for the intern should complete all the tasks which they have provided and the suitable suggestions to improve the HR policies, and they should be good at communication skills and Excel and Word, and it should be they have quality of work with a team, and they also require qualifications like BBA, MBA, or any degree in human resource or anything. Then you have to post and update jobs in their online portals or any other job sites. Then keep a trade of interns, keep under their look after them, their work and their responsibilities, and we need to ensure that we should complete the work which they have given, and then once all the tasks and the internship period is completed, then they'll issue a certificate of completion of the course and recommendation code, and recommendation letter. So this is the process. Thank you.